Yo, what's good guys, and welcome back to the channel. Okay, in today's video guys, I'm going to be redoing an old video. It's one of my most watched videos. Thank you guys so much, and you guys probably found me from that video. I'm going to be recreating these Jaden Smith pants, sort of like these custom anime pants. And yeah, I picked up some fresh shirts, new pair of pants, and instead of fabric glue guys, we're going to be using this iron-on adhesive tape. Yeah, so let's get to it. Alright guys, that is it. That is all you have to do, and it's super simple, and I think they came out super sick. It's dope. I can't wait to rock them. One tip though, make sure you put the bandana over the graphics so it doesn't burn with the iron. And yeah, that's it. Please let me know in the comments below what you thought of it. Please give this video a huge thumbs up because it helps the channel. And yeah, subscribe if you want more content like this. I'm out. Peace.
Just to feel like this, it took a long time, yeah. Just to feel like this, it took a long time.